Okay, welcome to another episode of Jeazie Cribs. This time we are at the Grande Cayman at South Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Okay, this is where I'm gonna start you right now. I'm gonna tell you right now, this is our first time walking into a room, and the bed is right here. But this is how we're gonna start off. So we got our bed right here. We got our little stands, of course. Gotta have your nightstands and stuff. And of course, we got the good old flat screen over here for us to watch TV when we laying down and stuff, just chilling out. You know, we got drawers if we want to put stuff in, which we never do, but yeah. Of course, we gotta have a selfie mirror. We have to have the selfie mirror. That is just mandatory before we walk out the door. We got the selfie mirror. And check this out over here. We got the little door. That's like if we had the kids, but we ain't got the kids. Hallelujah. We don't have the kids, so this is the door that's just for the privacy. And we got the little closet space over here, you know, to put our clothes up. We got the little broom. We gotta do a little sweeping, you know. We got the, oh shit, my bad. Okay, we got the safe. We want to put something important in there. So, yep, we got the safe. We're gonna take it over in here. We got our little personal kitchen, which is always lovely to have a kitchen in here. So we got our fridge. We really ain't got nothing in there but liquor. Yeah, sad, huh? I know. Nothing in here, but yeah, this is our little fridge. Got our little, you know, space if we want to put some food up in here and all that. A little trash can. Take it over here to the sink. Of course, we got our regular stuff we have in the kitchen. We got our, you know, coffee. We don't really drink coffee. Okay, yeah, this cabinet came with, you know, some glasses and a bowl, you know. We're gonna end up making some breakfast and probably some dinner the last day here, you know. And then this one also has plates, you know, cups, bowls. So they give us stuff that we need. And then we got the sink, of course, you know, to wash our dishes, keep our dishes clean. We got our trash can. And look over here, check this out. You know, people don't be having this. A microwave, because hotels don't have microwaves no more, so that's why we always stay in resorts. We got the microwave and we have the stove. So we're gonna be doing some cooking in here. That'll save us a lot of money. Okay, before I take you to the back, I'm gonna take you over here to the bathroom. This is where the bathroom is at. You know, we got in late, so we didn't get to record when we got in here. So we already made it home, so yeah, don't mind all this stuff. But this is the bathroom right here, and the sink over here, you know, to brush your teeth, wash your face. And of course, you got the shower and the bathtub with the toilet, you know. Nice little details in there. Okay, so I showed y'all half of it. Now we're gonna go to this other half. I call this the chill spot. All right, check us out. We got our little table if we want to read. We not reading on vacation, but we got our little table if we want to chill and read, if we want to eat and all that. You know what I'm saying? Of course, we got another bed. I'm not gonna pull it out, but this is just the pull-out bed. Like if we had some extra people, but like I said, we don't have the damn kids. So yeah, then we got a little chill couch. Right? I mean, what do they call these?
A chair.
We got a little chair right here with another table. On the phone, all that, so we can just chill over here. So it's pretty cool, man. Then we got the little couch right here to chill with the sun beaming in, you know. Got our little table. And of course, we got another TV back here. You gotta have a TV so when we chilling, we can watch TV. And we got they left us with a DVD player. Do y'all still got DVD players? I mean, they come in handy if the Wi-Fi working, but yep. That's it right there. This is our little kickback room right here, our little front room. And now, I'm gonna take y'all to the best part.
Not really.
Well, not really, but.
It's our worst view. No.
Okay, so when we got this hotel, we got it with a partial beachfront view. And this is our little balcony right here. And I'm gonna show you the partial beachfront view. Where's it at? Oh, okay. It's somewhere.
We got two partials.
Yep. So you can see the water over there. You see it? It's beautiful. You can see that. It's beautiful. Like they said, partial. They wasn't playing about that. And then you can see the pool down there. The pool is down there. People are already out. It's 8 something in the morning. They already ready. So Yeah, this is where we staying at, man. This is our first time in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, man. This is our first day, so we about to have fun, man, and enjoy it. So y'all just come along with us, you know, as we enjoy another trip. And I'm gonna say this, like I say every day, all day. Welcome to Jeazie Cribs. Y'all do y'all thing, cause we gonna do ours, and it's like that.